Store is big. Marker. I don't know what marker is. What is marker?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh wow. Okay, I just got into the car and wow, I am soaking wet. But this is how excited I was for the snow because we've literally had a snowless winter, and it's like the first time it snows since last year. Was it in October, I think, where we had that record snow, and then after that it has never snowed this much again. Like, it just basically looked like winter in South Africa. So I'm so happy for the snow. I took a walk and it was good, but now I'm soaking wet, which is not good. So yeah, I just need to get home now and have hot chocolate or something, because wow, I was not expecting it to snow so much. They've been saying it's gonna snow, but finally. And I think the most beautiful thing is that it snows on someone's wedding day. So I think that's like wedding blessings. So yeah, it's a beautiful day.
I have started hotline.
For as I say, you see a lot of teenagers working. So it's like, it's very in our culture to own money, own your own money basically. So we have 3 months of summer. We consider it. Það þá júni. Which one is, hver uppáhalds?
Sumar is summer. Vor is autumn. Kalt is cold. What is rigning? Rigningin. Rigningin. Hers, yeah, hers is hennar. Hennar is hers. Tilhamingu. Tilhamingu is congratulations. Vinir is a friend. Friends. Gordiu Sjovel. Gordiu Sjovel is, here you go.
Komdu inn.
Come in.
Come in. Já. Og dagur.
Day.
Dagur is also a popular name in Iceland for boys. Dagur.
What?
Og hennar.
There's something about these weathers I like very much.
What exactly?
I don't know. Like all my, I like all, but many of my favorite movies, they happen in a crazy weather. Just something fun about being inside and just chilling, and there's just crazy going on outside.
Okay. Guys, can you see how much snow there is? It snowed all night. Like, if you can see, the trailer is covered. It's just this top part that's like showing. And like also there at the end, you can see the snow is so full in the yard that it's like covering basically the fence line. It's almost all the way to the fence line, which is insane. Like, I don't think we've had this much snow in the yard since I've moved to Iceland. It's crazy. And like now I'm just wondering how much snow do I have to shovel out today behind the car so I can reverse. Dun dun!
Well, you have to jump into it, not on it.
my gosh, it's raining now, but I'm done. So yay! Ah! me with my snowman, my first ever snowman. Yay! Hi! See now, the weather has changed, so I hope you survive. Bye, Snowy! Snowy, look! So this year I'm celebrating my first Easter in Iceland. I think last year around this time I was jetting off home because I was homesick. But this year I'm proud of myself. I think I'm settling in a bit more. And yeah, I'm going to be celebrating my first Easter in Iceland.
First we got the laymac, and then we got this good stuff.
Okay.
It's like in this foil, so this is all you get to see for now.
Alrighty. Okay, put it next to mine. Let's see the size difference. Okay. So take off the birdie. And okay. Here's the candies. There's licorice in this bag. Like, Icelanders love licorice and I don't, so I will give this away. And these are gummy bears. I will definitely be eating gummy bears. And what is this? Oh, I think this is my, is it an idiom? What is this thing called again?
Málsháttur.
What?
Málsháttur.
This is called a málsháttur. So it's basically an idiom that you get, or like, maybe it's like the fortune cookie version, but it tells you something. But yeah, it's basically smaller candies and chocolates inside the egg. And yeah, you just, I guess, eat this over the weekend, and there's just different shapes and sizes. So oh, this is what your sister meant by Goa. So I think she said this is the best egg, or the best brand, basically, this Goa Easter egg. So let's open up this what? Málsháttur. Okay, anyway, so I've rolled it open, and this is what mine says. Don't know if it's legible. Okay, so mine says Synger kvar med sinu nefi. Huh?
I don't know, what did it say?
Synger kvar med...
Syngur hver með sínu nefi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what this means either. Yeah, but that is my idiom. I'll probably like look it up. Actually, let me do that now.
It just means that to do something like in your own way.
Do something in your own way.
Yeah, you just, yeah. So I think this one would be very good, like good match with me. Because I want to do everything just how it makes sense to me.
Okay, but this is my egg.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
So what? Do things in your own way. Okay, I guess I also do things in my own way. So yeah, this is my idiom for this year. Do things your own way. Anyway, Gerdu Sobel. Nummy nummy.
Probably licorice.
What does your mudstill thing say?
Mouse, what did you say?
What does your mouse hatter say?
Að kveldi skal dag lofa.
What does it say? What does it mean?
At evenings the day should be praised or something.
At evenings, the day should be praised.
Finally.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Let us see your work. What is it printing, by the way?
You'll see.
So this is how it turned out. The hair clip, pretty cool. He just put it together, but the problem is that it's too like firm. It doesn't do the job. So we need like a plastic that's not too hard for this part, because it's like it's not as soft, and yeah, it also doesn't close properly here. Oh, now it's like it's coming apart. Yeah, but this is our first 3D print. I guess this is what product development looks like, constantly trying to improve it and make it user friendly. Anyway, we ended up settling on a small victory, which is this keychain. And yeah, I actually needed one, but we're gonna make another one as well for my car keys, because the one I got from Spain broke. But yeah, so we just settled on making this cute keychain, and we'll see what else we make. Something that I forgot to show you guys is this cute bag for my drone that we 3D printed. It's got like these legs so it can sit like that, and yeah, it actually came out really good. And you just open it. Ta-da! So you can just have the drone in there and the batteries. Can it sit in here with a battery inside?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think so.
Alrighty. Yeah, but this is basically how it looks. It came out really good. So this is one of the things we've printed this weekend. So yeah, it's pretty cool because it didn't come with any... Oh, okay, I see. Like you can actually land it here as well, I guess, if you want to use it as a landing base. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Wow.